Hot Ones Diecast family, what's up?
What's up?
Oh, Jen's here with us for this one, y'all. So we're gonna get some split commentary. International A Case. We're gonna crack her open. Let's not waste any time. I'll do one of those. Maybe I can figure out how to do one of those little things where it speeds up real fast, so y'all don't have to listen to me do stupid stuff. Just kidding. I know y'all want to hear me say stupid stuff.
That's why it
I mean, right? Right? Why else are you here?
Ooh, I see something pink.
If it's not to hear me say stupid stuff.
Some purple.
Oh, I know what the pink thing is. All right, y'all.
Ooh, I see some nice colors.
Here we go. All right. We're going to fly through them a little quicker than usual, y'all. Those are all repeats. Truck is worth looking at always, though. 83 Silverado. Gray, copper, black, whatever you want to call it here. Let's see. I have a light correct. Yeah. All right.
Nice.
Sorry, y'all. I got a little stuck trying to figure out if my lighting's correct and everything, and got a little lost. Yeah. I don't know. I'm feeling a little unprepared for this one here, honey. Yeah, I'm feeling a little discombobulated. We may have to crack another case, y'all, just so I don't look like an idiot. This is the RD06.
The Joker car.
Yeah. It is purple and green, yes, but this is actually an accelerator. Actually, if y'all didn't know that, the RD06, that's where that came from.
He put it in the pile.
Well, I mean, those are all duplicates, y'all. We don't want to waste our time on that. 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Check that bad boy out. We haven't seen that yet. That looks pretty good. I hate that. Here, we'll leave it there. That's a good distance. That one will go in our little highlight pile in case we want to do some highlights. I don't know where we're going with this, y'all. Repeats. We got a new colorway on the Maserati Schmal.
Blue. Love that.
Yeah, that actually, we've had what? Red, black, and now for 2026 we get blue. And the red and black are probably more appropriate colors, but that blue is pretty sick. For your holiday celebrations, if anybody's going to be cracking one open, you can get a carbonator. Well, I mean, that one. We all get carbonator. It's been around for forever, but don't miss your chance to get the 2026 version. And for some reason, this is not the first time I've opened up this Land Rover Defender double cab in previous cases, and it have that same mark.
Nick in it?
Yeah, that same nick right in the middle. Whatever. Just
at least they're
curiouser and curiouser. Okay, a couple more repeats.
Oh, Monopoly.
Yep. Oh man, why is it always the cool ones that like have damage, y'all? I mean, we have this. Everybody knows they want that. It's got damage. Pass and Go, Monopoly, new for 2026. This is a collaboration between Mattel and Hasbro because, of course, Monopoly is not manufactured by Mattel, but they've been doing quite a few collabs. Think Transformers and Hot Wheels. Yeah. Here you go with Monopoly. That's pretty cool. Obviously designed to look just like the Monopoly car that we've probably all used. All right, we have Track Ripper. Looks like it's got some Mustang DNA in there, but yeah. Hot Wings again. And a brand new model, and this is one to behold. Porsche 911 Carrera T. New for 2026, and that is a great looking casting. They did a good job on this one, y'all. Got the detail right. I dig it. I'm trying to read what the it's got the Mattel model designation on the tag, and Hot Wheels on the side rather than Porsche. Interesting.
That's the color I want mine in.
Is it? That is not the color I want mine in. I want mine to be, guess y'all.
Purple?
How'd you know? All right, repeat. Banger repeat. Ford F40. Did I just say Ford F40? Ferrari F40. Good grief, y'all. It's been a long day.
You said fart.
2018 Honda Civic Type R with the CJ's logo. Okay, we all know these aren't going to be around for long. They've done the CJ's logo on a few previous Hondas. You had the Boulevard, Civic Hatch, and I think maybe previous Type R? I don't know. That's cool though. It's cool. All right, a couple more repeats. We're not going to waste time on them. And then we have the Barbie Dream Camper, which is technically, I guess, a repeat, but we haven't seen it for a while.
I love it. I actually had that.
You did?
version.
My stepsisters also had the real version of this. Looks like, I guess, this flips out, and I don't know, you got some stuff there. Yeah, looks like maybe some food or something. I don't know. Barbie Dream Camper, y'all. Go for a camping trip with Barbie.
Quick part.
Instant Boost, inspired by Starbucks. If you look at it there, looks like a coffee cup, disposable coffee cup, I should say. And it's not technically Starbucks. I mean, it's not licensed or anything like that, but we all know the colors, the gold, the green, and it's a coffee cup.
Yeah.
Instant Boost, new for 2026. That's a cool one. They're doing really, really cool stuff with their fantasy stuff lately. Speaking of which, another new one for 2026, the Bouncing Base, a very cool truck. Front end, looking a little bit like, what will we say, maybe a Wagoneer? Wagoneer-ish looking, but anyways, y'all will have to take a look at this one maybe in slow motion and see what you think the inspiration for this one was. I don't know. That might be worth discussing. Let me know in the comments. What do y'all think the inspiration for the Bouncing Base was? I'd be curious to know. And if you got some inside information, that's even better. All right, new version of the Roger Dodger. We all know the Roger Dodger. We all love it. Classic Hot Wheels. Can't go wrong with the Roger Dodger. Sushi Tuner is a repeat. Got a new livery on the 69 Dodge Charger Daytona. 56 on the side. I'm not sure what they're denoting there, but 426 cubic inches, y'all. That ought to get her done. Next up, new color for the Gordon Murray Automotive T33. Looking good in yellow. We had it in teal previously, and the original color is escaping me at the moment from last year. And then a couple more repeats, including a Ferrari 365 GTB in yellow. Yellow. Repeat Audi. We have a re-release of the Batmobile. This is the Robert Pattinson version. Are we ever going to get a sequel, y'all? I mean, it was a great movie. They're taking their sweet freaking time.
Oh, yeah.
Sweet time. It's actually a really good movie. I was not sold on Robert Pattinson being Batman, but he pulled it off. He pulled it off. And the 20 Jeep Gladiator, y'all, that's freaking cool. I don't care. I wasn't even a fan of the Super Treasure Hunt from last year of the Jeep Gladiator, or what was it this year? I don't even know. That's how much I didn't like it. But this looks cool. You've got a couple dirt bikes sitting in the back. The color's great. I dig it. That's going in the highlight pile. All right, let's pull the divider. She's gone. What else do we have? Can't get them out.
There we go.
We've got another 83 Silverado, which is cool. And y'all, did we just pull the Super? We just pulled the Super. Woohoo! Check it out, y'all. The Drift Ender Super Treasure Hunt.
Woohoo!
Drift Pursuit there on the side. There's your treasure hunt. Where's the, can you grab me the flashlight over there, babe?
Of course.
Drop the kitty cat and grab me the flashy light. I might be able to get a little better light here. Yeah, let's go with this, y'all. So I want y'all to get a real good look at it. Spectraflame Red.
Yay, that's so exciting.
It's very rare that we pull a Super Treasure Hunt. We pulled the McLaren Speedtail many cases ago. That was the last Super we pulled, y'all. There's your, Happy came to say hi. He just wanted to check out the Super Treasure Hunt, y'all.
Sorry.
He was like, say what? You got the Drift Ender Super Treasure Hunt? No way, Dad. That's so freaking cool. And then, all right, y'all. Look who else had to come and say, hey, you gonna look away as soon as I get the camera over here? Pepper had to come and say hi too.
Yeah.
Hi, baby.
But that's just because she's jealous and wants to do
She's
whatever
jealous. Yeah, she's got to be wherever the cat is. She's got serious FOMO, y'all. Like, I have never seen a dog have FOMO like this one. But anyways, y'all, that's freaking cool. It's cool. I dig it. What was I going to say? Oh, yeah. I completely lost my train of thought. Sorry, y'all. Drift Ender. Okay. So I was having a debate with one of my buddies who's one of our OG customers. And he was having a debate with someone else saying, debating whether this qualifies as a fantasy or just like a modified real world casting. Drift Ender is a play on Defender. And if you look at it, it is a modified Land Rover Defender, modified into a little drift truck. So the real question, the real thing I want you to comment in the comments would be, what do you think? Fantasy or not? Somewhere in between? Give me your thoughts. I'm really curious. Settle the debate, chat. And get some friends in here and have them chime in too. Let your friends know. All right, y'all. Repeats. I've already wasted so much time. I said I was going to go through this quick and...
Yeah, our timer is even
Yeah.
wrong.
How did the timer stop?
Oh,
no, it's still going. It's still going. All right, y'all. All right, I'm going to have to hand you some cards here, babe. Repeats. Again. No, leave those. Leave those. Those are good. Diora 2. We got a new colorway on that. Another fantasy casting from back in the day. Garage door just opened, so I'm guessing our son's going to walk in any second. Oh, we got another pass and go. A couple more repeats. Keep it moving. New version of the Mustang Mach-E 1400. 1400 denoting that it has 1,400 horsepower. That's right. And a couple more repeats. Repeats Anonymous. Good grief. More repeats, but I mean, they're cool. They're cool. Decidedly go there. All right, here we go. Another one of the instant boost and the 59 Chevy Impala. That's a new colorway on that one. That's cherry. No pun intended. Or did I? No, just being stupid. It looks good though. Oh, you can't go wrong with an Impala. That's nice. I dig it. All right. Solar Reflex. Got a solar panel there on the top. A couple other repeats. Some more repeats. And hold on. We have one new one left. Because these are repeats too. We got another Batmobile. And a new Lamborghini. 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. No, don't do that. Don't do that. No, that is a bad habit we do not want to start on this channel.
No.
Right, chat? We don't have the audience that we can afford to chase people away like John can. Anyways, that's cool. All right, y'all. Obviously, I missed the real treasure hunt. There was no real treasure hunt because it's the Buick GNX. We didn't get a regular treasure hunt, y'all, but hey, we'll call it even. We pulled the super. We'll take it. All right, y'all. Don't forget, let us know in the chat. Or in the chat. You can tell we sell and whatnot sometimes. Let me know in the comments. What do you think? Fantasy or not? What do you think? Let us know. All right, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you soon. We've got cube cars from Mini GT coming this week. I thought they were going to be here today, but with everything that happened with UPS, and what a tragedy that was, let us just say that. Our hearts are with them. Yeah, with that tragedy, our shipments got pushed. So stay tuned. We'll have it. See y'all soon.